Yo, what's up, guys? It's Charles the trader. Yeah, we having a good week. Okay. Monday was more of a ranging market. You understand? So we didn't really have much of a move. But Tuesday open, I'm seeing some move already in the market. Sorry, I'll quickly on my data. Okay, I'm seeing some move in the market. So I normally give my weekly analysis on Tuesdays. Okay, because I want to see how the market opens up on Monday. Most times Monday are trap days. Okay, so this is USDJPY, and I'm looking at the 4 hours chart here. Okay, let me quickly give my forecast for this pair. This week I'm looking at selling the USDJPY. So for me, I'll be going for sell opportunities only. Okay, I always sell high. Okay, I don't sell low. Okay, so I wait for pullback. Okay, so I'm looking at selling the USDJPY down to this zone, this rectangular zone here. Okay, so I'm looking at selling this guy, the USDJPY. Okay, you could see the shape that is forming. I always like to draw something like this. Okay, this is more of like a bat. You understand? There's a pattern like this. Okay, just like we have our head and shoulder, we have our double top and double bottom. We also have something like this, like a bird flying. You understand? So now, right now, we have this pair forming this shape. Okay, and you could see the EMAs. There are so many barriers to the upside, and we have more free paths to the downside. Okay, so I'm looking at selling this guy down. Okay, I'm looking at selling this guy to the downside. Okay, so this for the USDJPY. Let me go to the H1 chart and see. Okay, to the H1 chart, it's also showing a down move. Okay, it's also showing a down move. We're also having a down move down here. Okay, we have our head. Okay, so if price is already broken this trend line. Okay, if I also draw a trend line, price has broken it. Okay, you could see price has broken this trend line. Let me draw something like a trend line and see. You can see price has already broken this trend line. Okay, so we can see a move down, can see a move to the downside. Okay, guys, so I will look for sell on the USDJPY. Okay, but you don't just enter sell in any area. Okay, you wait for your pullback where you have a good risk to reward. Okay, where your stop loss will be little. Okay, will be small. Okay, that's how we trade, that's how we take position. Okay, so we may see price coming down to this blue region here, this rectangular box here. Okay, so that's for USDJPY. And for USDCAD, it started selling last week. This is the USDCAD. Okay, I have a position running. This is the USDCAD. So I'm actually looking at maybe taking this guy. I actually opened this position yesterday, which was Monday. So I'm looking at taking this guy down to this side here. Okay, it just started moving at the open. Okay, so you could see this on the H1. Here we have using the EMA crossover. Okay, we have price broke down this EMA, and all we look at now is the retest of this guy here. You see it has been retesting this blue EMA there. That EMA is the 50 exponential moving average. Okay, you can develop a strategy using the EMA too. You understand? Okay, so when you have your break, all you look for is a pullback to the EMA, and you take it down. Okay, that's what I actually use there. Okay, and on a daily, looking at daily time frame, if I was to look at the daily time frame, we have a down move. Okay, so maybe this even green moving average there. Okay, you could see the overall trend is still, right now we are like on a pullback into this green zone. You understand? Okay, so that's why I actually took the USDCAD sell. Okay, so for me the USDCAD is sell for the meantime, maybe for the next 2 days. Okay, for the next 2 days. Okay, so that's for USDCAD. Let's quickly look at the GBP pairs. Euro AUD. Okay, let me look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. I was thinking of going long on this pair, but right now, until I have a look at it, this is a daily chart. Until I have a daily close, a daily bullish close, before I would look at going long on this pair. As you can see, price is still reacting on this MA50. This is very important. You can develop a strategy around this. Okay, so here let's look at the daily chart, H1 chart. This is our head, this is our peak, this is our peak, this is like peak PFH. This was our PFH. We have our level 1 drop, level 2. This was level 2, and maybe we are going for level 3 here. Okay, this is for the euro, this is for level 3. This may be level 3. Okay, so for now, Euro AUD is also selling for now. Euro AUD is selling for now. Okay, so I'm interested in buying the Euro AUD. That's after giving me a peak formation low. It may take a while, but I'm still interested in buying it when I get a bullish close. When I say I'm interested in buying, that means like I'm not just going to go for any buy I see. Okay, it has to meet my criteria for entry, you understand? So that's for Euro AUD. So for the Euro AUD, those who are selling, it's not still bad to sell for those who are still selling. Okay, but before the week runs out, we are definitely gonna get a buy from the Euro AUD. Okay, so let me look at the GBP pair. GBP pair, the GBP. Okay, this is the GBP USD. Okay, last week Friday, I actually bought this guy here and it rose. I closed this on Monday. I closed this today. I took it all the way from this blue box here. And it rose up. Okay, so I told you guys, what I actually told you guys in the video is that until price, I actually took this guy here where I bought and it rose up to this level. Okay, and we had a pullback. Many people are still waiting for the sell opportunity. So many people trade the BTMM. Okay, you don't just take a sell position assuming the peak has been formed. Okay, most times you wait, you wait for price to break below. Okay, let's say we get price come to this level now and price is rejected below. Okay, we have our first drop. Okay, then you can decide to wait for a pullback into this hammer, then you take it down. Okay, that's how you trade. Then you see the shape that has been formed already. Here we may have a double or a triple top, then we'll get our sell. Okay, you take it to this level here. Okay, so we have to wait before you sell the GBP USD. You have to wait for the first drop, and the drop has to go lower, has to go below this, all these MRs. You can see all the MRs, they are there. So price is kind of being rejected by the support. Okay, so we have buyers still very much available and we have sellers also there. So right now you don't just you can actually buy it on pullback, and you can decide to wait before you sell it. You can wait for price to have broken down. So we must have a whole day of drop, then we wait for the next day before we start selling the GBP USD. Okay, before we start selling the GBP USD. For the euro pairs, we saw euro pairs rising all through Monday, like EurJPY rose all through the day. Okay, so EurJPY right now I'm still buying this guy, hoping to take my profit maybe around there. Okay, so this is a live account. Okay, in case hoping to take my profits here, maybe here. Okay, I'm actually on a buy. Okay, I don't know, maybe it will just be a quick scalp or something. Okay, so if you were to sell this guy, you may have to wait for price to go for price to go up to this level, then maybe come down, then then we have something like, we may have this drop. Okay, a drop to this it dropped it dropped to this level here. Okay, so we have our price, we have this guy going down, we have a first drop, then we have another drop to this level here. Okay, so right now price is still going higher, you understand. On the EurGbp, they rose throughout yesterday. Okay, they rose throughout yesterday. Before I go for a sell, I have to have a whole day of drop, and the drop has to come below this EMA. Okay, look at this blue EMA. Yeah, I believe you can see it clearly. Price has to come down below it. Then when I get a pullback, look at this zone here, this is my rectangular box here. Price has to break it, okay, before I would start selling it. Okay, you want to see what the market does before you react. Okay, so that's what I do. Okay, so for the EurJPY, this is what I'm actually expecting. If I was to sell it, for now I'm still buying it. Okay, if I was to sell it, I have to wait for price. I have to wait for a whole day of drop, so that it would be confirmed that the trend has changed. Okay, so that it will be confirmed that the trend has changed. I have to have a daily bearish close. Okay, where I look at my daily time frame, I look at my daily time frame and I see that, okay, let's quickly check. Let's say we look at our daily time frame and we see a bearish daily close. Right now we are still having our bulls in power. This is the daily time frame. So peradventure we get a daily bearish close, then I can easily predict that the next day the market will be bearish. Yeah, okay, you could see most times when you have a daily close, most likely the next day would also follow suit. You understand? So if I also have a daily bearish close, now I can decide to sell the EurJPY for the next day or two. Okay, so this is for EurJPY. Okay, let's look at EurGbp and we'll stop this video. Okay, looking at the EurGbp. Looking at the EurGbp. Okay, the EurGbp right now, I actually took a sell here. I actually took a sell on the reaction of this EMA, but it hasn't really, it's still going higher. Okay, yesterday these guys, they all move higher. Okay, right now I'm on the sell position on the EurGbp, but it's still going higher. You understand? Where we hope it comes down. Let's say peradventure we get a drop. Let's say we get a drop. I think I may have to put my stop loss at this line here. Okay, if you look, we have this area of resistance there. Okay, so let's say we have a drop. Let's say we have a drop. This may be the direction of the EurGbp. Okay, the EurGbp. So we are still looking. Okay, right now, EurGbp. So here we have our level 1, level 2, level 3. Zoom, we had our peak. This was level 1, level 2. Okay, so I'm still expecting one more drop. One more drop. Here we have level 1, level 2, and level 3. I'm still expecting one more drop for the EurGbp. Okay, so I'm still interested in selling. I will not go for buy on the EurGbp. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. That's all for now. The market isn't that clear. Hopefully before today's Tuesday, hopefully by the end of the day we'll have gotten a true direction of the market that would help us ride Wednesday, Thursday, and probably on probably Friday markets. Okay, so stay disciplined, guys. Stay disciplined. Yesterday, Monday, I didn't trade much. I only had just 2-3 positions open. Okay, USDCad, which did not really move. EurJPY buy, that one just started. They all just started moving. Okay, I was waiting for setup, and sometimes you don't get your setups. It happens Mondays. Okay, it happens Mondays. Mondays are mainly trap days. Okay, so you don't want to get trapped. Sometimes Mondays, no strategy actually work most times. You understand? So on Mondays are like that. Yeah, your strategies sometimes may fail. Even Fridays too. Fridays sometimes you apply your strategy, they would not just work, because these days are for the market makers. You understand? Okay, so there would be so many manipulations on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, then once you get the true trend, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are actually good days. Okay, because by then the market makers would have made their money. You understand? And they leave the market for us to get what we can also get. Okay, so it's normal. Okay, so just be careful. My advice is that you should be careful Mondays and Fridays. You understand? Wait for your setup and try to stay disciplined. Okay, so see you guys. Thanks for watching. So this is my weekly analysis for the various pairs I just analyze. You understand? Before the week runs out, I'll be sharing my one or two of my live trade, which I will take definitely, and I'll probably explain my entry. Okay, I'll probably explain my entry. So thanks for staying tuned. If you are new to the channel, I would welcome you guys. I welcome you, and I would like you to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, and on the description you will find a link to my Telegram channel, which you can join. Okay, so some days I talk, where I teach. Okay, so you definitely learn some things about the market maker method. You understand? So I would welcome you to our channel if you join. Okay, so stay disciplined, guys, and try and keep it simple. Okay, always wait for the markets to act. Okay, before you react. Okay, and always use money management. Okay, so thanks very much. Bye.